Hey everyone, welcome back. Ever feel stuck with a huge Excel file that needs splitting into smaller parts? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple Python script that automatically breaks your main file into clean, organized sheets. No more manual copying and pasting. Let's get right into it. Here's our example, a master purchase sheet with lots of columns. Let's say we want to split it by the department column. Normally, you'd have to filter, copy, paste, which takes forever. But with our script, it automatically groups the data, creates a separate Excel file for each department, and saves everything with clear file names. You can even customize it, split by date, region, or any column you want. So first, ensure Python is installed. Open Terminal and type Python version. If you don't have it yet, you can grab Python from the Microsoft Store. Now, let's import the library we need, pandas. If you don't have it yet, just open your terminal and run pip install pandas. Pip install pandas OpenPixel. Okay, now I'll show code on the screen. I've also put the full script in the description below, so you can easily copy it and run it yourself. Now, let's walk through the most important parts. Requesting department. This column drives the split. Output _ columns. Customize which columns to include. Input _ file. Your Excel file name. You can replace them with yours. Place your Excel file and the script in the same folder. Then open Command Prompt, navigate to that folder, and run the script. Running the script now should be done in a moment. Finished. And that's it. Watch it create separate files automatically. Each department gets their own workbook with only the columns we specified. In just a few seconds, we've turned a tedious task into an automated workflow. Simply swap out department for any other column to split the data by that category. As you can see in the table, the benefits are clear. Manual method. 30 minutes. Error-prone. Python method. 10 seconds. Perfect every time. Scale to thousands of rows effortlessly. Okay, if this helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more on Excel and Python automation. Got questions or ideas for the next video? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.